All right. Hey guys, so someone on YouTube asked me if they have to download the app in order to use the Xtra Edge Pro camera. No, you do not need to download the app actually. So I'm gonna show you. First, I'm gonna have to delete the app on my phone. Not deleting the app actually. I'm just gonna delete the cache and the storage, like user storage on the app, and then I carry it on my phone. So let's go. Let's go into the app settings. All right. So I'm gonna be looking for the data. All right. So I'm gonna clear the cache, clear the app data. All right. Now I'm done with that one. Just making sure. Okay. So I'm just gonna stop the app again. Make sure it's not really on my phone. So as you can see. Now, if I need the app again, I will just download it back. So let's go back to the camera. All right. So first thing I'm gonna do, just going back into menu. All right. Let's look for menu. All right. I'm gonna format the SD card and do a hard reset. So let's go back into factory reset. Then okay. All right. Restore to factory settings. Okay. Now we gotta wait now. All right. Is booting up right now. Oh yeah. All right. So I'm gonna click English. So since he doesn't have my language, yeah. All right. See the app is still is in on my phone. So I'm just gonna click uh English. Yep. Let's go. Then switch to SD card again. All right. As you can see, you do not need an app just to use the camera. So again, I'm just gonna do quick format of my SD card. All right. Then internal storage, gone. Oh. And let's go back again. We're gonna do a factory reset. Yeah. All right. So factory reset. Okay. Again. We'll boot up back again. Gotta wait for a few seconds. Super fast actually. Oh yeah. Neo 679, right? Let's go back to English again. Switch to SD code. Now, see, you do not need the app in order to use the camera. It's a beautiful camera, actually. Oh, yeah. All right. So, yeah, I should get it. Yeah, I should get it for real. See that? Oh, I mean, it kind of look like the DJI Action 5 Pro. All right, let's go back into my phone. All right. See, as you can see, I'm gonna download the app back again. All right. Let me show you. So see, the app wasn't on my phone, so I'm gonna have to download it back. Actually, I'm not gonna use the app. It's just showing you guys that the app wasn't on my phone. All right. So I like to record in 4K. This one is only for tracking people, subject tracking. See, human subject tracking. Right. And let's go back to video, right? So I like to record in 4K or with an aspect ratio of 4 by 3, 30 FPS. It's best like that. Then 50 or 60 if you are running, you know. But you could always do 120, but you don't really need that. to be honest. At 4K battery, it's good if you are trying to record video for both YouTube and TikTok. You know, you got that 16 by 9 for TikTok and 9 by 16 for YouTube. So you could crop into that video without losing quality, you know. All right, guess I guess that should be all actually. See, you could go all the way to 120, but I don't think like you'll need it. No. Yep. Beautiful camera. See how ugly I look? I'm chopped. I know that. I know I'm chopped right now. A little bit ugly. All right. Oh, banana. Love my banana. Gonna touch my banana now. Oh yeah. Bananas, bananas, bananas. All right, guys. Thanks for coming.